Hello students, in previous lecture we solved exercise 1.5 up to question number 10. Today in this lecture we solve question number 11 and 12. Now we see that the question number 11, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay? The first part is that 9 upon 8 divided by minus 3 upon 2. Clear? We have to find that 9 upon 8 divided by which number that results minus 3 upon 2. ओके इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है हमें उस नंबर को फाइंड आउट करनी है कि जिस नंबर से 9 अपॉन 8 को डिवाइड करें तो रिजल्ट क्या हमारा माइनस 3 अपॉन 2. हम लेट कर लेते हैं कि हमारी नंबर क्या x है. 9 अपॉन 8 डिवाइड बाय x. हम लेट करते हैं हमारी नंबर क्या है x इक्वल टू माइनस 3 अपॉन 2. Now 9 upon 8 we change the division sign into multiplication. Here 1 upon x. 9 upon 8 into 1 upon x equal to minus 3 upon 2. Okay? So 1 upon x equal to minus 3 upon 2 into 8 upon 9. 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8. Okay? 3 1 are 3, 3 3 are 9. 1 upon x equal to 4 1 are 4 upon 3 1 are 3 minus 4 upon 3. We have to find x. Hence we take reciprocal of both sides. So x equal to minus 3 upon 4. Answer is minus 3 upon 4. Okay? Now we see the second part. The second part of this question is that here second part is that divided by minus 7 upon 5 equal to 10 upon 9. Means which number is divided by minus 7 upon 5 to get the result 10 upon 9. We have to find that which number is divided by minus 7 upon 5 that it gives the result 10 upon 19. We let x is divided by minus 7 upon 5 to give 10 upon 9. Here we write x. Division sign minus 7 upon 5 equal to 10 upon 9. We can write as x upon 1 into minus 5 upon 7 equal to 10 upon 9. Now x equal to 10 upon 90 into division, change multiplication 7 minus 7 upon 5. 5 to the 5, 5 to the 10. Here x equal to 7 to the 14 minus 14 upon 90. Okay? Means minus 14 upon 19 is divided by minus 7 upon 5, then it gives 10 upon 90. ये हम क्या करेंगे हम माइनस 14 अपॉन 19 को डिवाइड करेंगे किससे माइनस 7 अपॉन 5 से. रिजल्ट हमारा क्या होगा 10 अपॉन 19 होगा. क्लियर? तो आवर आंसर इज minus 14 upon 9. Okay, now which is the third part? The third part is that the third part is that divided by -3 equal to -4 upon 50. Which number is divided by -3 to give -4 upon 50? The question is that which number is divided by -3 to give -4 upon 15? We let the number is x, which when divided by -3 gives -4 upon 15. X divided by -3 equal to -4 upon 15. Okay, now x division sign is multiplication and we multiply the reciprocal of division means -1 upon 3 equal to -4 upon 15. Division numerator, the denominator will be numerator when we takes it in the right side, means change the side. X equal to -4 into -3 upon 1 into 15. 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. So x equal to -4 into -1 upon 1 into 5. Here x equal to 4 1 is 4 upon 5 1 is 5. Means the number is 4 upon 5. Means when 4 upon 5 is divided by -3, then we get -4 upon 15. Answer 4 upon 5. Okay. Now which last part of this question? The fourth part of this question is that -12 divided by which number that the result is -6 upon 5. Okay, so -12 divided by x equal to -6 upon 5. Now -12 into 1 upon x equal to -6 upon 5 or 1 upon x equal to -6 upon 5 into -12. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. 1 upon x equal to -1 upon -10 or 1 upon x equal to 1 upon 10 or x equal to 10. Okay, means when -12 is divided by 10, then we get -6 upon 5. Okay, means our required number is 10. When -12 is divided by 10, then we get -6 upon 5. All parts of question 11 is completed. Now we see the next question. The first part of question number 12 is, are rational numbers always closed under division? The question is, are rational numbers always closed under division? The answer is no. First, no. Second part is, are rational numbers always commutative under division? We see that in the properties of multiplication and addition of the rational numbers, multiplication and addition is a commutative, but the subtraction and division is not, means the division is not always commutative. Hence, answer will be no. Okay. Now third, are rational numbers always associative under division? The result is also no. That will be also no. The rational numbers under division is not associative. Next, can we divide 1 by 0? The answer is no. Okay? In this way, this exercise is completed. Now, we find out the rational numbers between two given rational numbers. As we see that if x and y are two rational numbers such that x less than y, then 1 upon 2 x plus y is a rational number between x and y. Okay. We see some results related to rational numbers. If x and y are two rational numbers and x is less than y, then the mean of x and y means 1 by x plus y will be also a rational number which will lie between x and y. Okay. Now we see some questions based on finding the given rational numbers between two rational numbers. Exercise 1.6. Question number first. Okay. Find a rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. Question is, find a rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. We have to find one rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. According to condition, we see that 1 by 4, x equal to 1 by 4 and y equal to 1 by 3. And we see that the numerator of the both rational numbers is same 1, but the denominator is different. The first rational number having after 4 and second has 3. If we divide the same numbers by two different numbers, then the numbers whose divisor is greater, that quotient will be small. Means 1 by 4 will be smaller in comparison to 1 by 3, means it satisfies x less than y. Okay. Now, rational number between x and y. y means 1 by 3. We take the LCM of 4 and 3, that is 12. 4 3 is 12, we multiply 1 by 3 plus 3 4 is 12, 1 into 4. Okay, now we see that here 1 by 2, 3 1 is 3, 4 1 is 4, 3 plus 4 upon 12 means 1 into 7 upon 2 into 12, 7 1 is 7 upon 24. Clear? Now the required rational number is 7 upon 24. Okay. In this way, you will solve the question number 2nd, question number 3rd, and now we will solve question number 4. Question number 4. The question number 4 is that find two rational numbers. Find two rational numbers between minus 3 and minus 2. Minus 3 and minus 2. Okay. Here we have found two rational numbers. Then first of all we write x equal to minus 3, y equal to minus 2. And we see minus 3 is smaller than minus 2 means the condition is fulfilled, x less than y. The number of rational numbers to be found, the number of rational numbers to be found इक्वल टू 2. हमें कितने रेशनल नंबर फाइंड आउट करनी है? हमें 2 रेशनल नंबर फाइंड आउट करनी है. Clear? If in question is the number of rational numbers 2, 3, 4 and 10, 20, 100 something, then we first of all find n plus 1. n plus 1 equal to 2 plus 1 or n plus 1 equal to 3. पहले क्या करेंगे कि अगर हमें 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 सब कुछ भी निकालना है तो हम पहले क्या करेंगे n plus 1 फाइंड आउट करेंगे. जो रेशनल नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करनी है उसमें 1 ऐड करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट जो रेशनल नंबर में गिवन है उस रेशनल नंबर्स के न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को n plus 1 से हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. अगर उनके डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो हम डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. अगर डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंट है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या करते हैं, एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करते हैं, डिनोमिनेटर को इक्वल फॉर्म करते हैं. आफ्टर दैट n plus 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और फिर हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं उनके न्यूमरेटर्स के बिटवीन में हमारी रिक्वायर्ड रेशनल नंबर फाइंड आउट हो रही है या नहीं. अगर उनके न्यूमरेटर्स के बीच में रिक्वायर्ड रेशनल नंबर फाइंड आउट नहीं हो रही है तो हम दोनों रेशनल नंबर्स को सुटेबल नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं और आफ्टर दैट रेशनल नंबर्स को फाइंड आउट करते हैं. ओके. नाउ वी राइट हियर x equal to minus 3. We write minus 3h here. Minus 3 equal to minus 3 upon 1. And if we multiply the numerator and denominator with same number, then the value of rational number does not change. We can write minus 3 into 3 upon 1 into 3. Okay? This is minus 3. Means minus 3 equal to minus 9 upon 3. And we write this. Minus 2 equal to minus 2 upon 1 and we multiply this by number n plus 1 means 3. So minus 2 equal to minus 2 into 3 upon 1 into 3 or minus 2 equal to minus 6 upon 3. Now we see that the denominator of both is same, and it's minus 9 and it's minus 6. Here the difference is minus 9. After that we find minus 8 minus 7. After that minus 6. So our required rational number will be rational numbers between minus 3 and minus 2 is minus 9 1 less than minus 8 upon 3 and minus 7 upon 3. Okay, this is the two rational numbers between minus 3 and minus 2. Okay, we have to find two rational numbers between minus 3 and minus 2. X equal to minus 3 and y equal to minus 2. X less than y. The number of rational numbers to be find is 2, n equal to 2. Okay, so n plus 1 equal to 2 plus 1 and n plus 1 equal to 3. Clear? So minus 3 equal to minus 3 upon 1 means minus 3 into 3 upon 1 into 3. So minus 3 equal to minus 9 upon 3. And minus 2 equal to minus 2 upon 1. So minus 2 equal to minus 2 into 3 upon 1 into 3. And minus 2 equal to minus 6 upon 3. Now the value will be, the rational number will be greater than minus 3, and we know that minus 8 is greater than minus 9 and minus 7 is greater than minus 8. Hence the value will be minus 8 upon 3 and minus 7 upon 3. Okay, as in your answer, in answer sheet is given minus 5 upon 2 and minus 9 upon 4. The answer is given that minus 5 upon 2 and minus 9 upon 4. To be solved the decimal portion, that is minus 5 upon 2 and minus 9 upon 4. Okay, if you solve, then you will find the value will be minus 2.5 and this will be minus 2.25. 4 to 8 1, 4 to 8 4 5 20. And if we solve this minus 8 upon 3, then minus 8 upon 3 means 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6, 2, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18, minus 2.66. And if you take minus 7 upon 3, then you get back 3 to the 6, 1, 10, 3 to the 9, 3 to the 9. Means this is also lie between minus 3 and minus 2. And as we know that we can get a large number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Hence, the answer is correct. Okay, this answer is also correct and this is also correct because these two also lie between minus 3 and minus 2 and these two also lie between minus 8 and minus 3 and minus 2. And we know that we can find a number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Clear? Means the answer of your answer sheet is also true and this answer is also true. Okay, thank you. The remaining questions we will discuss in next video.